Alright, motorcycle maniacs, ever had that heart-stopping moment when you hit the starter and nothing? Your bike cranks, but refuses to fire up? Don't panic, it's happened to the best of us. Today, we're diving into why your motorcycle cranks, but won't start, and trust me, it's usually something simple. Let's get to it. First things first, safety check. Make sure your bike is in neutral, and you have enough space around you. Got it? Awesome. Now, let's play detective and troubleshoot those issues. Fuel. My friends, fuel. This is the most common culprit. Your engine needs fuel to run, obviously. Think of it like this: your bike is a hungry beast, and fuel is its food. Empty tank yet, it happens. Double check your fuel gauge. Is it pointing to empty? If so, you know what to do. Fill her up. You might be surprised how often this is the only issue. Fuel valve. If you have a motorcycle with a petcock fuel valve, make sure it's turned on. Sounds silly, but we've all done it. It's easy to overlook, especially if you're in a hurry. Fuel line issues. Check your fuel lines for kinks, blockages, or leaks. A simple visual inspection can save the day. Look closely for any cracks or deterioration. Fuel pump. For fuel-injected bikes, listen for a humming sound when you turn the key on. If you don't hear it, the fuel pump might be kaput. A faulty fuel pump means no fuel delivery. Spark it up. No spark, no fire. Your spark plugs are crucial. They create the ignition that gets things moving. Spark plug condition. Pull a spark plug carefully and check its condition. Is it wet, dry, black and sooty? These clues tell a story. If it's wet, you might be flooding the engine. Dry means no fuel is getting to the plug. Black and sooty suggests a rich fuel mixture, which can also prevent starting. Spark plug wires. Make sure the spark plug wires are connected firmly to both the spark plugs and the coils. Loose connections can lead to no spark. Coils. Faulty coils can prevent spark. Check them out if you have a multimeter. But be careful when working with electrical components. Battery blues. A weak battery can crank the engine, but not provide enough juice for ignition. It's like trying to start a fire with a damp match. Battery voltage. Use a voltmeter to check your battery's voltage. It should be above 12 volts when the bike is off. If it's low, charge it, or it might be time for a new battery. Connections. Make sure the battery terminals are clean and tight. Corrosion can kill your starting power. Clean those terminals with a wire brush or baking soda solution. Air, everywhere. Your engine needs air to mix with the fuel. It's the perfect recipe for combustion. Air filter. A clogged air filter can restrict airflow. Check and replace it if necessary. A dirty air filter starves your engine of oxygen. Carburetor issues. If you have a car, it might be clogged. You might need to clean the jets. Carburetors are sensitive to dirt and debris. The kill switch conspiracy. Yes, we've all done it. Make sure your kill switch is in the run position. Seriously, it happens. It's an easy one to miss. Bonus tip: check your fuses. A blown fuse can shut down the whole operation. Inspect all fuses related to the starting and ignition systems. A simple fuse replacement might be all it takes to get you back on the road. So there you have it. A quick guide to troubleshooting why your motorcycle cranks but won't start. Remember to stay safe, take your time, and don't be afraid to get your hands a little dirty. With a bit of detective work, you'll be back on the road in no time. Ride safe, and keep the rubber side down.